Hello, and if you're watching this, this is my notes for remembering what I learned about Git. Now, what you can see here is I typed in doxify init. You should only have to type this once. And then I did doxify serve, and I got the intended output. And if you get this output, this means everything is functioning well. It means if Doxify ran the code and everything's functioning well. And what you can see is this is git add. Because I only did git add in a period and I didn't list a specific file afterward, it's adding everything. And you can see that I did the git commit. And I did earlier try to push it up to the cloud with a git push. So I want to do a git status. And this will essentially git status checks to see what is in my staging area, which is good. Now let me see. I shall do Doxify serve. Can I get? What is a better way? Okay. So if I type in the ls command, guess that's not the best one to use. Git GUI? No. Open. ls. Okay, so here we are. I'll start this again so I can make sure that I'm seeing it. So here we're on my machine. I'm going to type ls. What this command does is it displays everything, all the files in different folders that we have. So it displays all the different files in the different folders. So what we can see here is every single file and folder is here. And we have video help here, and we have SNG help. So let's try going into the folder or directory or repository, you could call it, SNG help. So cd command will allow me to go into one of these. So I can type in cd SNG help dash. And now I am in that little folder. You can see the difference here and here. Then I can type ls, and this will tell me where I am at right now. So these are all the stuff that's within SNG help. So then I'm going to type in cd tutorials. So now I'm in cd tutorials, and I'm going to type ls, and I'm going to do cd sign up. And now I'm in cd sign up, and I'm going to type in ls, and we have a video and we have an index. But if I want to go back, I can do cd ... And now I am back in tutorials. So if I want to leave that area, I can also do cd space ... And now I am back in SNG help, cd ... ls. And now I am back where I was before. And now we can try going into video help, cd video help. And I can do ls. And we have a readme, and we have the video there. So I can do cd ... I'm back. So let's go back into SNG help. That's where I've spent most of my time. And we want to hit Git branch now that we're in SNG help. What Git branch does is it tells us all the different branches we have. So we have a branch Gabe. We have the main branch. And the branch we are in is Gabe branch. So this is the branch that we're in. And we can do Git checkout. And then we can type in Gabe. And now we can do Git branch. And now we're in Git branch Gabe. And we can also do Git checkout Gabe dash branch. And now we can clearly see if we do Git branch, we are back in the Gabe branch, which is good. So each branch is a different little work area. And now if I want to add something, I can do git add dot, and then I can add the name of a specific file, or I can just leave it like this, and it should just automatically add everything. Git status, if there is anything that needs to be committed, it will let us know what is in the waiting area because we just added something here. So everything we added here will be displayed in the waiting area. And then we can do git commit. I am committing. Okay. And if there was something to commit, it would commit it and we would display here. And now if we go to the website, the Git website, let's go to, so we are at a Git website. If we wanted to do a pull request, we can do that. You have to go to the website to do a pull request, but we can push our changes up here. And we can do that by doing git push. And what that does, everything's up to date. We don't have any problems. But what that does is it will do any necessary pushes up there. But before we push, it is very important to run the push locally. And so when we're pushing up something, well, we need to test it locally. So we should only have to run it for the first time. We already did that. Let's go back and let's type in Doxify serve. Doxify serve. And here we go. Serving this. This is double checking and testing it to making sure everything's good. And now we're listening to there. Let's double check. And yes, and that's all of our Git notes for today. We also should remember Doxify the website. The website Doxify, you can go to by just Googling Doxify website. Now, there's a lot of Doxify videos we can watch, and we can also go and look for the Doxify website. And now that we're at the Doxify website, we can get a lot of help that we may need and get a bunch of questions that we have answered. And that is all for today's GitHub video. Thank you and goodbye.